The digestive system is the part of the body that comes in the most contact with everything that is consumed. Over time, toxins and waste will build up and cause an assortment of health issues including constipation, diarrhea, irregular bowel movements, weakened immune system, and low energy. By performing a colon cleanse, one can fix all these problems, improve bowel function, and achieve greater health and well-being. It is also the first step to losing weight and starting a weight loss program or diet. Many dietitians or health experts will begin a weight loss regimen with a cleanse. 2 fantastic ingredients for a colon cleanse and improved health. 1. Kefir is a fermented drink usually made with milk and grains that are beneficial living organisms. It is also a complete source of protein with many essential amino acids, minerals, and valuable B vitamins. What's good about kefir is that it contains several major strains of friendly bacteria and beneficial yeasts. These probiotic organisms help to cleanse the intestine, help balance the intestinal flora, and destroy pathogens such as E. coli and parasites. Kefir helps to restore your digestive system, relieves inflammatory bowel disease, and helps to boost your immune system. Kefir is safe to use for people who are lactose intolerant but can be made from fruit juice, coconut water, coconut milk, rice milk, almond milk, and more. 2. Flaxseed is excellent for cleansing. It absorbs water and expands as it passes through the colon. Flaxseed acts like a scrub brush as it literally scrubs toxins and waste away. It is also rich in ALA, alpha-linolenic acid, a form of omega-3 fatty acids. ALA has anti-inflammatory properties and helps to relieve irritable bowel syndrome. Flax seeds are difficult to digest whole, so it is best to grind them in a coffee grinder before use. However, only grind what is needed. They only stay fresh for 24 hours in the refrigerator. Flaxseed oil is healthy, but not the best for a colon cleanse. Grounded flaxseed is needed to remove toxins and waste from the digestive tract. Using kefir and flaxseed together. Important, fermented food can sometimes be difficult to digest for people who are not accustomed to consuming it. It is best to start with small amounts and increase the amount slowly. Also, it is important to take this a couple of days a week for 2 weeks. This will allow the body to build its immunity. Start with 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed mixed with about a quarter or third glass of kefir before breakfast, and then again before bed. Some people find it helps first to try kefir with meals, such as a little amount with breakfast. You need to make sure to drink at least 8 glasses of water each day. Do it for a week or so and then skip for a few days here and there to give your body a break. You can use it as an ongoing maintenance or do it periodically. It is important to go about a colon cleanse naturally and gently. There is a bunch of good bacteria in the digestive tract, and performing an unnatural or quick colon cleanse can remove or kill this bacteria.